Hello, welcome to today's vlog.
Today we're at Cadbury World.
So join us as we take you on a tour.
Senorita, un poquito chocolate. Just as I suspect. My fellow countrymen absolutely adore the taste of chocolate. Just look around. Everyone is drinking it.
Is this the same recipe originally enjoyed by the Aztecs?
We have changed the recipe by replacing the chili pepper and by adding other spices. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and by adding sugar. We kept chocolate a closely guarded secret for over 100 years, until the daughter of King Philip II of Spain married King Louis XIII of France and took the secret with her to the French court.
Right, so we've been through the jungle section of the tour where you learn all about Montezuma and the Aztecs, the discovery of the cocoa bean, and also then how that was initially made into chocolate by the Aztecs and the different things they used to add to it, like chili, for example. We then learnt about how the cocoa beans were brought initially by the Spanish to Spain, and then through to France, and then finally to Britain. And it landed in Britain around the time of Charles II, and we've just heard about how Samuel Pepys noted it in his diaries. We're now just in the section where we're about to understand more about how the Bourneville story started and how J. Cadbury became involved in chocolate. So we've just been through two kind of like theatre presentations about, first of all, the history of Cadbury and the family, the fact they were Quakers, and how the Cadbury business grew from quite humble beginnings to the huge business you know now. And then we've just sat through a presentation on moving benches, all about the actual process for making chocolate. And I think we're about to go and see it now. Chocolate.
Thought you were on the right.
You are?
What's he going to write?
No, I do. Oh. Oh, it's really hard.
Well done.
That's not bad. Do you want to go? Right, this is Paul's attempt. I just went. No. Right. Hey! Alright, what's Hannah done? Hannah's done a
Terrible smiley face.
a sort of terrible smiley face. Oh, this is really cool.
If you look carefully at the pages ahead of you, they will help you enjoy the Cadbury magic.
seen we just ridden the Cadabra ride, which was quite good, wasn't it?
It was a bit like It's a Small World, but with chocolate. It was really good.
It's quite good, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a little ride, and you see all the beans and where all they lived, and
Yeah. Now we come to the
chocolate making.
chocolate making area. The smell is absolutely unbelievable.
Yeah, it's fabulous. But just in a minute, we'll be able to get our little mini pop sample as well,
All right.
which I'm looking forward to.
Well, catch you in a bit.
So we've just finished the tour. It's about an hour and a quarter going round. There's a few bits that we couldn't film because they were very dark or there was lots of other people around, but we've just been through the section all about the history of advertising for Cadbury, which was really good. And there's a section where you can press a button to choose the music, and then you've got the gorilla with the iconic drum playing gorilla with the Phil Collins background, so that was really good, but obviously we didn't film that because we didn't want a copyright strike. So now we've got the ubiquitous exit through the gift shop, but it's not any old gift shop, it's the world's largest Cadbury shops. This is a chocolate lover's dream, really. So we've got, these are Cadbury's pillows. Now these are the biggest bars of chocolate I've seen in here. We'll try and get down, but these are 850 gram bars of Cadbury's chocolate. They're £5 each. And then over on this side you've got some smaller boxes rather, and packets. You've got Bourneville, Cadbury's Dairy Milk Orange, and there's some really amazing deals, like with these 180 to 200 gram bars you can have. They're £1.70 each, or 3 for £4.20, which is amazing value. You've got all the Bourneville stuff, and then out into the main part of the shop. Chocolate footballs. We've got some of the bespoke chocolate shoes here that we saw them making in the factory itself. And then you've got some of these little chuckle lollies, which we saw the guy putting these into moulds and then putting the tempered chocolate in. Caramel. But yeah, you've got a whole shop full of just basically Cadbury and other Mondelez confectionery. It's fantastic. So not only bars of chocolate, here we've got drinking chocolate, so Cadbury's instant hot chocolate. We've got some Whisper down here, and the mugs to go with it. I like these really little like chocolate squares mugs, which are really cool. Don't know how much they are. Chunk mugs, sorry, £6.99, which are cute, but I'm not sure how easy they are to drink out of. So Paul and Hannah have just been round the shop, and as you can see, we've got something of a haul. Some bars, some misshapes, which are brilliant. Just basically misshapen bits of chocolate, and then we've got two of these mystery bars. There's two different flavours, and obviously we don't know what they are because they're a mystery.
Hello.
Hello.
We've arrived at our first hotel. We're staying in Bristol for the night. We're going to Bath tomorrow, and that'll be our next vlog, no doubt.
Yeah.
We didn't really film that much in Cadbury World because it was extremely busy, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. I mean, obviously we're at the beginning of the school holidays, so it was extremely busy, but we filmed a few bits and pieces. Yeah,
well, we hope you've, if you've got this far, you've enjoyed what you've seen so far. Tomorrow, as I say, we're heading off to Bath. We're doing a visit to the Roman Bath.
Yeah. But
no visit to Cadbury World is complete without actually hammering the largest Cadbury shop in the world.
So this enormous bag is what we came out with. Now I will say that there's 9 bars of chocolate in here that we actually got free.
Yeah.
So when you go on the tour, you get 3 bars of chocolate each.
Yeah.
So we've got, and they're not enormous, they're that kind of size, bars of chocolate, you know, like, but yeah, this is the haul from Cadbury World. Yeah. We've got enough chocolate here to keep us going for a while.
We have.
But this huge bag of chocolate, all of the stuff that's in here.
Some of our gifts.
Yeah, there's a couple of gifts for people, yes. Not going to eat it all ourselves, but this lot came to only £34.
They did, yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on our next vlog.
See you soon.
Bye bye now.
Bye.